Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create this part design in SolidWorks. So just I will go here with new part. Let's say okay. Now, first we are going to create here this two circles. One circle with a diameter of 38 and one more outer circle we are having here diameter of 64. Distance between center to center vertically we are having here 75. Just I will go here on front plane. Now I need to create here two circles. One should be exactly on origin and one more somewhere like this. Dimension for this we are having diameter of 64 and 38. So just I'll give here 64 and diameter for this we are having here 38. Then later to that dimension from this point to this point here vertically we are having 75. Just I will provide 75 here. Then as you can see here, the center point is able to move freely. So here we need relation between this point to this point. It should be exactly straight. So just we will go for add relation. We need relation between this point to this point. We need here vertical. Just say okay. Then exit sketch. Make it this isometric like this, or else you can use shortcut key Ctrl+7 to make it isometric. Then next to that, we are having here width for this profile. As you can see, they have mentioned here 30. Same here also it should be 30. So just we will go here with extruded boss, and we are going to use here mid plane with the dimension of 30 like this. Let's say okay. Then later to that, as you can see here, this center part we are having with radius of 64 tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. Then here width we are having for this profile width of 10 mm. So now just I will go here on front plane sketch. We will make it normal. Then just we need to convert these circles by using this convert entitles. Just I'll select this circle and this circle and I'll convert that elements. Later to that, we are having one 3-point arc like this. To apply relation, just I will go here with add relation between circle to curve. We need tangent, clear selection, this curve to this circle, tangent. Let's say okay. Dimension for this we are having here radius of 64. Now same curvature we need this side also. So to make it at mirror, we need one center line. Just I will draw one construction vertical line from this origin like this. Then just I will use here mirror entitles. I need to mirror this with reference to this. Let's say okay. Then just we will go here with the trim. We need to trim this unwanted elements. Just I will trim this unwanted elements like this. Then we are having only this part. Say okay, exit sketch, make it here isometric, and we need to make extrude boss by using mid plane with a total width of only 10 mm. Let's say okay, like this. So then next to that, we are having here this removal of material with a diameter of 55 circle. Material or removal should be done with width of 5 mm. So just here I will go for sketch, make it normal. We need one circle from exactly origin point with dimension we are having diameter of 55. Just provide here diameter of 55. Then exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to remove material. We'll go here with extruded cut in this reverse direction with a distance of only we need to remove material of 5 mm. Just I will provide here 5 mm depth. Say okay. Then later to that, with a diameter of 43 circle, material is added from this pocket with a total width of 15 plus 5. From here we need to provide with width of 20 mm with a diameter of 43. So again here we will go for sketch, make it normal. We need one circle here with diameter of 43. Just provide the dimension as diameter of 43. Then we need to make this extruded boss of 15 plus 5. Total we will provide here 20. Let's say okay. Then next to that, directly we can go here with this holes. One hole is there exactly at center with a diameter of 20. So just I will go here with hole wizard. Next to that, I'll click on legacy hole. Diameter we need here 20. Depth up to next. Just go for position. We need one hole exactly at center point. If you go on this curvature, you will get exactly one center point. Just say OK. Let's say OK here. One hole will be created exactly with the diameter of 20. Same like that, one more hole we are having with the diameter of 34. Depth should be up to next. So again, I will go here with hole. Hole dimension we are having diameter of 34. Just double click on diameter. We need here 34 diameter. Depth up to next. Go for position on this face. Just keep it on exactly at origin point. Let's say OK. As you can see, part design is created. Now, if you want to apply colors, just we can go here with part, mouse right click, go here with appearances. For this part, you can apply whatever the color we want. So as you can see here, they have provided entire thing blue color. Same color I'm going to apply here like this. Then next to that, for this inside face and this inside face, they have given yellow color. Same we will provide like that. Just I'll select this inside face, and by holding control, I'll select this inside face. Here, go with appearance. We need here only for face. Just click on that. We need here color of yellow color. Just we will provide this yellow color here. Then later to that, as you can see, this cut part we are having with pink color. So just I will select this face. Then I will go here with appearance. Only for this face, we need here pink color. Just you can apply this pink color like this. And let's say OK. In this way, you can apply these colors also. Like for example, if you want to change this entire thing also, you can change as we have done before like that. So like that, you can create this entire part design in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.